Today we're going to install Storm Shield Garage Door Threshold by Action Industries. Now, a threshold is an often overlooked component when you're sealing a garage. A threshold works with your garage door's bottom seal to keep your garage clean and dry and to keep weather and debris out. It's a very simple thing to install. It only takes a few tools, so let's go ahead and get started. Storm Shield kits are ready to go. Threshold, adhesive, instructions, and applicator tip are included. All you need is a few tools. The tools we'll need to complete this project are a tape measure, a utility knife, scissors, a pencil, and a caulk gun. Measure the distance between the vertical tracks on your garage door. This measurement helps you determine the correct size kit to order, and it also serves as where you'll mark the Storm Shield to trim it for a precise fit. Lay the kit flat on a clean surface. Using a pen or pencil, mark the measurement from step 1, then carefully trim the Storm Shield to size with a utility knife. Position the Storm Shield between the garage door tracks, making sure the highest side faces into your garage. From the outside, close the garage door and trace along the outer edge of the Storm Shield with a pencil. Then open the garage door and repeat the tracing process from the inside. Before applying adhesive, be sure the surface between your marked lines is clean and dry. Load the adhesive into a caulk gun and cut the nozzle of the tube with scissors. Then screw on the included plastic applicator tip. Apply 2 parallel continuous beads of adhesive just inside the pencil lines. Then, using the remaining adhesive, create a zigzag pattern between the parallel lines to ensure full bonding coverage. Flip the Storm Shield back onto the adhesive, centering it between our pencil marks. Press it down firmly, then walk the length of the threshold to help the adhesive bond with both the concrete and the Storm Shield. And after 24 hours, the Storm Shield adhesive will be cured and it's safe to drive over. Now your garage is ready to stay clean and dry and keep the elements out. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project.